Umurong siya. Tingnan ko nga kung magbabakbakan kayo. Malakas ang puta niya.
Share, Preston. Share, Preston.
Oh, baliktad. Baliktad.
It's upside down. Get it, Brayden.
Sabi yung matigas ang ulo mo. Matigas ang ulo mo. Sabi mo, nabuo, mahawak pa pa. Parang matanda pa tumayo ang putang ina. Ay. Go, get it, get it. Preston,
Preston, come here. Let's go. Let's go, Preston. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Sinusundan daw siya. Kaya, ay.
Come here, Preston. Come here.
Alam niya, umiiwan ang putang ina. Ay, bakit nga naman kumakain?
Come here, Preston. Preston.
Kinakain pa nga naman niya eh. What's wrong, my baby? Oh, there, Preston is there. Come on, hurry up, Preston. Hurry up, go. Woo, do. Tinan mo, umiiwas ang putang ina. Baliktad. Buma. Be careful. Wawa naman ikaw. Hindi ka talaga makaagaw. Galit siya. Gigigil siya. Sinisip niya parang malangkit. Utang ina. Oo.
Look at this. He's trying to get it from him. Trying to get the popsicle from him. Like, like this baby.
Utang ina bata.
He won't let go. He's like, I'm not. He's strong, Mom.
I know. Binalibag niya. Para wag maagaw ang putang ina. Ginano niya eh. Binagwag niya eh. There, go. Go to your cousin. There, Preston. There. Hurry up. There. Ayun mo. Go to your cousin. There.
Look, I get run over.
Uh-huh.
Go to your cousin.
Kuya? Kuya.
Ayan na. Tingnan mo ah. Dali, agaw. Tingnan mo, tinatabi niya. Sinusuboy na tapos kukunin. Aanisin din niya.
You're teasing him, Bray.
Tingnan mo. Malakas talaga. Hindi niya alam niya i-protect.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, Preston.
Ay, putang ina mo. Isa ka pa. Sana bagan. Wala na. Ang lagkit na. Mhm.
I think we want more.
No more.
No more. Sorry, kids.
Yeah.
No more.
Father was of that popsicle.
Say bye-bye.
Natahimik si Gago. Naka-content.
Great got the boat.
I don't. If he's crying and fussing, popsicles always.
Ay, may popsicle pa palang kinakain itong batang to. Akala. Dali.
Say thank you, Lola. Preston, say thank you. Preston.
Pa pala.
Preston, say thank you. Mmm.
No more!
No more.